Knowing the cost of hot tub installation ahead of time can help you budget and plan, making the process as seamless as possible. Once it's delivered and installed in your backyard, your new hot tub will start paying you back in ways that can transform your life. Installing a hot tub does require a few steps, and the overall cost can vary depending on size, location, and complexity, but can range from around $85 to more than $800. On average, the national installation cost for an above-ground portable spa runs a little more than $300. Prior to installing a hot tub, you should consider and price out these elements. A cement slab or other load-bearing surface will be required to support the weight of the hot tub filled with water. Cement slabs are the most durable option, and as a DIY project, it will take a few hours and around $100 in materials depending on size. Hiring contractors to lay the slab can cost between $1,400 and $3,500. Your hot tub will require an electrical connection to run the heater, pumps, filtration system, and any entertainment options. The electrical materials can cost around $250. They require approximately 3 hours of service from an electrician to install, which will cost around another $250. Trenching work to bury electrical components can cost about $70. These are national estimates, and your cost will depend on your market. Overall, the costs associated with installing a portable spa are considerably less than those associated with installing an in-ground hot tub. We have a wealth of how-to articles, planning guides, and videos to help answer your questions. And your local Caldera dealer is ready to answer questions specific to your area, your building and electrical codes, and your hot tub. Be sure to give them a call or stop in for a visit.